Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In a society that often glorifies on specific body type, Annabella Doe has started stereotype and emerged as a trailblazer in the fashion industry as a foreign plus-size fashion model, Instagram star, and social media influencer. Annabella has captivated the hearts of millions through her stunning photos and imploring videos. Today, we delve into the life, achievement, and unique attributes of Annabella Doe, the owner of the esteemed Kingfisher Wildlife Sanctuary, as we celebrated her journey toward redefining beauty. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video.